Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Hey, this week we had a stock 08 Mustang with 30,000 miles come in. Got our Edelbrock Stage 0 Supercharger package. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to see more cool videos like this about all year's Mustangs, F-150s, other vehicles, mostly supercharged. But let's go take a look at this engine compartment. All right, here it is, our Stage 0 Edelbrock Supercharger package. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing these today, it's because you notice I always wear glasses. These are prescription. Forgot my glasses, so I'm rolling stealthy today. So I have Corinne with me today. Come over here and take a look. This is our Edelbrock Stage 0. Use a 2.3 liter Edelbrock Supercharger. You get 41-pound injectors. You also get the Edelbrock air induction system along with the fuel pump upgrade, colder spark plugs, and the proper calibration. This is a turnkey package, which means you can put it on a stock car, and it is a supercharger you can grow into if you want to make more power down the road, so we can definitely turn the boost up if you have a built engine. I'll put links in the description of all these parts like I always do, as well if you're wondering how much this costs to get installed, email quote@brenspeed.com. It's just that easy, but I think what I'll do right now is I'm going to make a couple Dyno pulls. We'll see what the car makes back-to-back horsepower and torque. Let's go check it out. Manual transmission, 93 octane. Check it out. Rear wheel horse, 441 rear wheel horse at 6,500. Second pull backed it up 438 at almost 67. And then our torque was 409, then 415. And like always, TVS style supercharger. Right now, we're wide open throttle. We're over 400 torque pretty much right away, about 3,000 RPMs. It's a 6 setup. This is like our lowest horsepower Brenspeed Edelbrock Supercharger package we offer. If you want to jump up to our Stage 1, you get about another 30-40 rear wheel horsepower and about another 30 rear wheel torque with that. It's just basically a new belt, smaller pulley, new calibration. But this is a neat car right here. So it's a super clean 08 Mustang. I like the color a lot and 30,000 miles. So I think that's a pretty sick setup. If you have questions about this, of course, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Just want to show you another clean car. You know, these cars have been getting higher miles. But it's pretty amazing when I come in here to dyno the cars after we build them. I still get in a lot of cars with low miles, and this is one right here, definitely weekend warrior. It's definitely rolling stealth, stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats, stock mufflers, stealthy, kind of like me today. Thanks for watching.